right, muscle testing for your pets, step 2. So step 2, once you are fully in your body, in your heart, you want to receive your pet, right? All of your pet, the physical, the emotional, the mental, the ancestral, all of the stuff, right? Because we're asking for all of them, the whole totality of their being, right? Because we want the highest answer to come in, so we want to include all the parts. So receiving them, first you're in your heart, you're smiling, you're letting go, and you ask to receive them. You don't try to receive them, you don't search for them, you stay settled in your body in the receiving mode, and you invite all of their energy to come to you, to take all of their energy in, right? And you'll just notice without watching, right? You notice through feeling. And I'm going to invite myself to receive my cat Shiva. I'm just going to smile. I'm just going to invite myself to feel and to connect with her physical body. Through curiosity, I just notice how my body feels, because I'm really honestly receiving how she feels. And then I'm inviting myself to feel her emotional body. Oh, that one's tighter. Alright, and so I'm letting love touch that too. I'm acknowledging it, but I'm not focusing on it. It is what it is. It's tight right now, that's fine. A lot of times it just needs to be received, right? It's just like kids, whenever they're upset, they just need to be held. They need to be know that they're being listened to. And that is softening her emotional body, so it's great. Now I'm going to ask to receive her mental body. And I notice there's like a tightening here, tightening in the throat, but overall it feels expansive, it feels good. It doesn't feel like it's heavy. And then I won't go through all the bodies with you, but I'll just notice how does her third eye body feel. It's a little bit tight. That's okay. Overall spacious. So I'm taking in all of her, right? Physical and energetic. And you don't have to know what the bodies are. It's not that. You just, how is her physical body? How is her energetic body? That was getting a little bit more specific for the energy people out there. So now I'm just asking to receive all of her again. All of who she is. And I'm just noticing how it feels in my chest, and noticing if anywhere else in my body feels tight, but I'm not attached to it. Doesn't really matter. I'm just receiving, right? And that is step 2, receiving of an animal. And sometimes it's trickier whenever it's your loved one, any loved one. So a good process can be to go out and try to receive a treat or somebody else's animal, or anything that doesn't have any kind of emotional charge with it, or you can't beat yourself up and say like I'm doing it wrong, because it's just a muscle that you're building, and you're ability to receive, that's my cat, of what is in front of you, what you're wanting to connect with. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we're on to step 3.